Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Mastery Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about exception handling Python. Exception handling is a mechanism used to handle the runtime error in a program. It prevents the program from crashing and allow the programmer to manage the error gracefully. So common runtime error included division by zero, invalid input, file not found, index out of range. Python use the following blocks for exception handling. Python uses the following blocks for exception handling: try, except, finally. Introduction to exception handling. An exception is an error that occur during the program execution. Example: without exception handling, a equal to 10, b equal to 0, print a divided by b. Let's see the output. Zero division error, division by zero. The program error suddenly. To avoid this, Python provide exception handling. Try block. A try block contains the code that may produce an error. Syntax: try, risky code. Example: try num equal to 10 divided by 0, print num. Here the division by 0 causes an exception. Except block handle the error generated in the try block. Syntax: try, risky code, except handling code. This is syntax in Python exception block. Except block. Python try a equal to 10, b equal to 0, print a divided by 0, except print error occurred. This is a text message. If suppose going to error, zero division error, that's the case of showing that customized error, like programmer error, programmer defined error. So error occurred, text message. Let's see the output. Output error occurred. There is a customized one or user or programmer defined error showing that the program does not crash. It's showing that error except cases cannot be able to crash the program. It compiler shows a error in the error occurred customized message. Handling specific exception can also be handled. Example, Python code num equal to int of input of enter the number, result equal to 10 divided by num, print result except zero division error, print cannot divide by 0 except value error, print invalid input. Explanation: zero division error occur when the input is 0. Value error occur when non-numeric input is entered. Finally black. The finally black execute whether on exception occur or not. Syntax: try risky code except handled code. Finally always executed. Example Python try file equal to open sample.txt double quotes comma or read mode double quotes, close the bracket, print file dot read exception file not found error, print file not found, finally print execution completed. Let's see the output. Finally is always executed code, and except is handling the errors. Try is a risky code. Whatever it is going to execute, that coding part is defined in the try block, within the try block. Output file not found, execution completed. Try except finally flow. Python try a equal to int of input of enter the number, print 10 divided by a, except 0 division error, print divided by 0 is not allowed, except value error, print please enter the valid number, finally print program execution completed. So CBSE board is very important question. Maybe the 5 mark it will come. So go through all the syntax and example code and output also. Advantages of exception handling: prevent the sudden program terminations, makes the program reliable, handle the identify error easily, improve the program readability, ensure the proper resource management. Maybe it will come the 2 marks advantages of exception handling. And blacks and purpose try contain the risky code, exception handling the exception, finally execute always, and the exception is a runtime error. This is summarized one line statement of exception handling. It is useful for to understand the entire topic. Simple real-time example, try age equal to int of input of enter your age, print your age is colon age variable, except value error, print please enter the numbers only, finally print thank you. The output, enter your age ABC, please enter the numbers only, thank you. This is a customized or programmer defined or user defined message, the error message showing that console, output console. Try run this code, except execute the code when there is an exception, else no exception, run this code, finally always run this code. The diagrammatically explanation, it is useful for improve the scoring, like board exam, CBSE board exam, to correction person easily try to understand whatever it is your side is knowing that information in that topic. Exception handling, the Python tries run this code, except try the code catches the exception, run this code, else if there is no exception, run this code, finally always run this code in last. This is a diagrammatical, another diagrammatically representation, whatever you want to as your wish. So both the diagram is same. If you want to, you can write anyone, or you can draw the anyone. So another diagrammatic representation, try, except, else, finally. Tries directly go to the else, and try go to except or else, finally. And so mistake is wrong is except, is right is else, go to try, then go to else part. For your understanding purpose, can able to easy way understand the diagrammatic representation. Some peoples or few students can able to easily understand or go through for easy. That the purpose included some few diagrams also. These also same diagrams. Try, except, else, and finally. Risky code from the run the code under the try, except when there is errors or handling the errors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, click on the bell symbol for further video update.